Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Twitter dark mode. So if you want to turn on dark mode for Twitter, so watch this video until the very end. Now first of all, just open up the Twitter application and then we are going to tap on this profile in the top left corner. Then click on this settings and support. Tap on settings and privacy, and now from here you have to scroll down a little bit and find accessibility, display and languages, and then we need to click on it. After that you have to click on this display, and here you can see there is a section called dark mode, and that's exactly we have to press click on it. So you can see that mine is turned off, so I want to enable it, so I'm just going to click on this on, and as you can see that now I have the dark mode on Twitter enabled, so that is why my background changed. Basically this is everything that you need to do, and if you want to go back to your previous background, just simply click on this off, and that's it. So that's how you can turn on dark mode on Twitter. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.